In this video, we show how to calculate a weight table using just two tools. The Properties tool, applying a material property to an object, and the Bill of Materials Attributes dialog box. The first thing that we need to do to create a weight table is apply properties to each of the items in the weight table. Let's go ahead and go to the arrow select tool, select all the objects that we want in our table, and go to the Verify Properties command. This tool allows you to select a material for each of the objects. In this case, we're going to pick a wood, redwood, and click OK. Note, in doing so, we're applying a density to our object. Next, let's go ahead and assign an attribute to each of those items. And to do so, we'll go to the Attributes and BOM dialog box, and we're going to select the Volume Weight table. Select everything, then select the Apply to Select command. And this will apply all of the attributes in this dialog box to the item, and it will calculate the volume and weight based on the assigned material. Let's go ahead and hit Apply to Select it. And now we're ready to actually create our Bill of Material table. So let's go ahead and select the Create BOM button, and we're going to create a table. So we're going to enter in the upper left hand corner, and we will get our attributes that we can set associated with the table. And for the font size, I know that I need a 2-inch font height. And let's go ahead and click OK. And you can see now we have an itemized list of each object, the quantity, the volume, the weight, and then the total of each of those individual items. And for this example, our picnic table comes out around 192 pounds. Now, the material that we're using is Redwood American. Let's go ahead and change that to something else. Let's change it to oak, for example. And so to do so, I'll select all of my objects, go back to the Verify Properties, and this time I'll change it to a white oak. Click OK. And now I'm going to go back over to my Attribute and BOM dialog box, and I'm going to tell it to update. And you can see our weight has now gone up to 330. So this tool is a great way to explore different material types as well as sizes and volumes to calculate a weight.